I finally get out of my bullshit, and I get to drive across the country, or many more times, whatever, it doesn't matter. So, in my last few videos, you guys have been watching me make videos with this house behind me, right? Woo! In this house. I'm gonna explain the house. So I got a job. I applied for multiple things over the summer. Long story as to why I did that, but I did. And I was applying for superintendent positions. This one came up. I went and sat and spoke, but one of the requirements of this job, mandatory, was that the superintendent lives on site, or maintenance supervisor. Has to live on site. And I was excited, very excited, because at the time I was just tired of just so many little things. I mean, it doesn't matter now. I'm tired of all these things, and it's just humans, man. It's just the way it goes. So I was tired of like electricity and generators always failing, and then the COVID thing happened, and then I became more dependent on people for showers as opposed to like the gym and whatever. So just, life sucked, but I still loved living in a van. As a matter of fact, when I got the job offer officially for the job, and which means I get to move into this house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse, all mine, free, no electric bills, nothing, all 100% free. I was happy, but I also got very sad. About 5 days prior to accepting the job, I replaced the fuel pump in my van, and I went through the floor from the inside, and I tearing all my stuff out and broke some things. I said, oh yeah, I'll go get some new ones at Walmart, whatever. And I said, for what? For what? That was the thought that came to my head. I was, for what? Why would I do that? I don't have to. I'm moving into a house. This is all irrelevant. And I got really legitimately sad. So, the reason I'm making this video is to, one, say, hey man, like, we're fucking excited. But two, mostly, is, man, I find myself constantly lying to myself. Bullshitting myself. Which is fine, because everybody does it, and I always watch people do it. But I'm doing it. But I've always known I'm doing it, for the most part, so I'm not that upset about it. I feel better as long as I know I'm doing it, then I can get out of it. And there are a lot of people who don't know they're doing it. They lie so deeply to themselves, they'll just always be where they are in life, whatever that means, forever. So, having a free house and having a 100% guaranteed job security, which means I could live in this house and die in this house and be here for the rest of my life if I wanted to, or I could really get the fuck up and go and drive and be in a location, in an environment, and see with my eyes things that really make my soul sing. And it's not here. If you follow my channel, you know it's not here. It's never been here. It never will be here. So I finally get to leave. I finally get to do it again. I get to drive across the country. And for the most part, it comes with a little bit of some push, because my parents are old and I really shouldn't be here. I just shouldn't be here. My parents are old. I should be there. And that is truly the reality. I've said to myself many times, as long as I still remain here on the East Coast and my parents are there, my 84-year-old aging parents, I'm pretty much an asshole. I've said it many times, and it is true. However, it's time for me to go. It's time for me to leave the East Coast. It's time for me to get out of this house, which I'm doing. I'm selling everything. Everything's going. I'm going back to my van with a lithium battery this time. Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait to tell you all about that. Electricity will be different. I tore the inside of my van out. I was supposed to make a video about that and I didn't. So within the next couple of days, because I got a lot going on. I got brand new washing machines and dryers I have to sell, like brand new. Brand new TVs I just sold. My couch just sold. Like everything's getting sold, and I love it. I love it. I love it because this is what freedom smells like. And for me, I've realized that I am truly, truly blessed that I just don't have kids, and I don't have the ties and the locks and the chains that most people do. I am single. I am without child. Life is really good for me, but I'm just in the wrong place. In a house, it's not for me, man. The creature comforts of living in a house are great. It's great. There's nothing negative to say about it. Nothing at all. It's beautiful. But it's not for me. It's not for me. Beyond that door is the land that I take care of, and all the people, and zero privacy, and the exhaust video, right? I put an exhaust in my van. Well, this is a pretty quiet complex. So when I fire up my van, it's like, oh, because I can feel it percussioning right through my house from about 20, 30 feet away. Oh man, I can't wait to bring you guys on a journey with me straight across the country, because I already know what to expect. But this time I don't need hotels. This time I don't need to rush to hurry up and get somewhere because I'm stuck in a vehicle. This time I can literally just stop. I can stop anywhere I want. I can pull over and live anywhere I want to live. There's no time frame that I have to be there. I'm just going into the wild, into the free, into the, I don't know, something that sounded really amazing. And that's it. My braces should be dealt with. I don't know. I'll find out Thursday. But within a month, they should be 100% done. So that's it. I told my people today, my boss and fellow co-workers, that I am officially gone by the end of the month. And I'm just absolutely ecstatic. I ordered a lithium battery, 100 amp hour lithium battery, which is mind-blowing because, yeah, lead acid batteries, no. Just no. So I tore the inside of my van apart, and I can't wait to show you guys what I've done. I already recorded a bunch of it and took a bunch of photos, and why. Basically, my main focus is the roof, and then my carpet is just absolutely trashed. I never kept it up and spilled everything you can imagine on that carpet. So the entire floor is coming out. That's going to be redone, and then the top, the roof, heat, heat, man. No more cooking ovens, and anyways. I gotta do all this in a month. I gotta rebuild a van. It literally feels like February 2019 all over again. I get the same nervousness, except this time, one, I know where I'm going. I know what to expect on the journey. And the journey can last as long as I want it to last. And I'm just so happy. I can't wait to bring you guys along. I just can't wait. You talk about, listen, I know there's huge gaps between my videos, but once I get back in my van, oh my God, it's literally gonna be a video every single goddamn day. And when I'm on the road, it'll definitely be videos morning, noon, and night. All day long. I will be just all day long. I will be I was doing it when I went the last time. I just wasn't publishing them to YouTube, and well, I kind of was, but not really. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is the meaning of life. It's not getting up and working 8 hours every single day. Friday, yeah, Saturday, back to it again, Sunday night. This is not life, and it's not how I want to live the rest of my life. And I'm 46 years old, and a lot of people don't understand that phrase, the rest of your life. Like, what does that entail? That could literally be a week. The rest of my life could only be 1 week. It could be 2 hours. It could be 20 fucking minutes. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm going back to my van, back to freedom, back to the desert, back to mountains. I just can't wait to go home. And that's what it is. It's home. Can't wait. I'm out. Peace. I love you.